In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sync linked records from Google Sheets to Airtable. We will do this inside an Airtable base using the Data Fetcher extension, which is a great choice when you want a reliable one-way sync from Google Sheets into Airtable while keeping linked record relationships intact. Start by opening the Airtable base where you want the data to land, and make sure you are in the table you plan to sync into. From the top area of Airtable, open Extensions, then choose Add an Extension. In the search box, type Data Fetcher, select it from the results, and click Add. Confirm by clicking Add Extension so it is installed in your base. Once Data Fetcher opens, select Continue with Google and follow the prompts to authorize your Google account. This permission is what allows Airtable to read data directly from your spreadsheet. Next, click Create Request. In the app selection, choose Google Sheets. Then click New Google Sheets Connection and continue forward by selecting Save and Continue. Now you will choose the exact spreadsheet source. Click Select, then click the prompt to choose a file and pick the spreadsheet you want to sync. After you have selected it, click Save and Run. This pulls in a preview and confirms the connection is working. You may see another Save and Run option depending on what Data Fetcher needs to confirm, so click it again if it appears. When the request is ready, click Save. At this point, you will want to check the setup details. Go to the Summary area so you can confirm what you are syncing and where it is going. As you configure your field mapping, pay special attention to any column that represents a relationship, like a category, account, or parent record. In the Response field mapping area, that column needs to be treated as a link in Airtable, not plain text. Set it to Link, then choose the linked table and select the field in that linked table that contains matching values. This is the key to making Airtable create and maintain the linked record connections automatically. Finally, in Advanced Settings, choose a unique identifier for updates so you do not create duplicates when you run the sync again. If you have a paid plan, you can also schedule automatic runs, such as hourly, that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.